Going to cover in this video everything you need to know as a non-Thai resident, owning a villa, owning a property in Thailand, how it works, how taxation works, and basically everything you need to know in order to buy a property. So the main reason I came to Koh Samui in Thailand in general is to actually invest in a property, and more specifically a villa. Now I wanted to diversify my portfolio of rentals as I have already 3 properties in the States, and I don't want to be more attached to one country and put all my eggs in the same basket. So right now we're going to see several villas in Thailand. Let's go see the first villa.
Still have the one-eyed dog?
No, the eye dog.
No, one-eyed dog.
Yeah, he was there since we started to build the...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He lives by one house.
So, bedroom 1, connected bathroom.
To bathroom and like restroom, all right.
Wardrobes. So, in the event of a purchase, you can basically select your tiles color and even if you want to change
color and decoration.
Well, you can even if you want to change the sink, or this is all possible. So after we make a balance in the price, we take out from the BOQ what we have, and even if you want to buy them yourself, you can do. But we can change the material.
Oh, it actually looks really good. I like this style.
So we tried it to do it nice.
you mentioned.
So basically, in the floor plan, there was no balcony. So we basically extended a meter, so you have a small balcony in front of this room.
Okay.
Okay. So that's already included there. The floor is an epoxy floor. This we have what we call maxi wood. It's actually kind of a plastic wood, let's say. Kitchen is included in the price also. So basically same layout.
And the same layout. This is the living room.
That's the second bathroom, which is the same as over there.
It's the same size as well?
Yes, so cabinets also there included. The same bathroom. We have glass blocks. Direct access to the terrace, so you can go all around. Same for the pool. There we did some stairs. If you don't want to have the stairs, if you want to have a platform or something that you want to change, tiles can be changed also.
The size of the pool is going to be the same though?
It is possible to make it
a little bit bigger.
But then you
will lose a little bit on the terrace.
You lose a little bit on the terrace, but we can make it 1 meter, 1.5 meter bigger.
Yeah.
That's all depends. We have this plot of land.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3 plots. So that's the 3 plots left.
So like 1,
yes,
2,
2, and 3.
So basically this is where the villa is going to be built if I choose. 1 villa here, 1 villa here that's already built, and 2 are going to be over there. Like 1 and another 1. The finish is really nice.
So on this one you have a nice outdoor area with a place for lay down, a small sofa, and covered area to have the possibility to have some shadow and after to enjoy the pool.
Is this supposed to be like a jacuzzi or something?
No, this after it's for, I think, for technical parts. And they just put a big pillow on top.
The bath is really nice. The finish here, honestly, I like the finish here better, like how it's designed. So basically, regarding owning a house, you have the lease option, and you have the ownership with the company, right?
Yes.
How is it called?
You have 2 possibilities. You have the lease which is directly under your personal name. You can register lease 30 years to the government and to own the property for 30 years. And after, you have the possibility to have also a company, a Thai company who owns the land, and after you build the house under your name on the land owned by your company.
And then if you do the setup with the company, you have to have 51% of like Thai controlships, right?
Yes, you have for the possibility to have 49% as foreigner for the ownership of the company, and the 51% are split between 2 and 3 or 3 shareholders. But you are the director of your company and you have the power on your company. For sure, you need to have Thai people inside of your company for the papers and on the name. But after, you have the signature and you are totally owner of the property.
So they can't like outvote you or something like that because you are the director.
Yes, and you have the signature for all the paper for the company.
And if you do like the 30-year lease, you get like, are you entitled to like extend it?
No, most of time you have big residents who have the possibility to provide secure result because the residents own the land and they manage the apartment in lease because we don't have the possibility to have too much condominium in Samui and on the island because we have not enough density of population. So it's a few condominium available, so we don't have foreigner real. For make something instead of foreigner real, they make this kind of secure lease, and it's 3 times 30 years directly at the signature, but it's a non-ending lease because the residents will renew always a 30 years lease contract because it's the residents and it's the big residents who manage and who own the land. When it's private owner, a Thai family who have a land and they make the land in these 30 years, it's because they want to take over the villa and take over the lease after 30 years. So with the Thai family, it's difficult to organize to have an extension. And most of time, it's 30 years and that's it, it's terminate after the 30 years. And if it's not in advance, sign and pay in advance, it have no value for the Thai law. So if it's right, you will have the possibility to extend in 30 years. It's not possible.
Yeah.
When you have secure result, you directly pay for the 3 times 30 years.
Gotcha.
Rental.
Okay.
You pay in advance, and for example, for the apartment in Shalom, it's a secure result because the residents own the land and own the property and will renew
like
non-ending the lease.
non-ending.
You directly have 90 years contract. It's 3 times 30 years, pay in advance. It's including the price of your property.
Gotcha. And then like after 90 years. Like,
Yes,
probably.
because the 30 years and 30 years arrive, the second and the third one are already paid.
Mm-hmm. Gotcha. And regarding taxes, like how much tax do you pay for like as a foreigner, like if you own a company, like if you have a company that owns the real estate or something like that?
The company tax will depend on the income and on the net benefit of the company. If you make less than 1.8 million baht a year, you don't have any tax to pay. After, when you receive money from professional, most of time you have the 3% tax to declare and to pay to the government. But when it's income from Airbnb and everything, it's not working like this. After, if you have a big company and you have to pay tax, you have the possibility, you will have to pay VAT with the 7% in Thailand, and the big company can up until 12 to 15% tax.
So that's the maximum.
Yeah, it's really interesting.
Really interesting. That's like the description, you can say. That's really nice. And well, that's like most of the questions I have. And like regarding the real estate in Koh Samui and Koh Phangan, like, do you think, I assume you think it's good investment, but like, what do you think moving forward, like with the real estate here?
With the demand, it's growing up and it will not going down during the next year. We have, with the situation actually around the world, we have more and more people who want to come to live here because we have an amazing quality of life. And same for the foreigner who want to come to live on the island. It's really not like the center of Thailand. Here we have European restaurants, we have shop for sell all kind of product for French or for same for Israeli. You have both shop and boutique where you can find all the food you can find on your country. And when we live here and we want to stay here long term, it's not possible just for the food to eat Thai food all day long, 365 days per year.
It's a stomach ache, yeah.
Yeah. Once a day, sometimes during the week. It's nice, and Thai food is just amazing. But we are not Thai, and we need to find a little bit of our country also if we want to be comfortable in long term.
Sure.
And for sure, the Iceland like Koh Samui and Koh Phangan offer this kind of thing. We have amazing restaurants with beautiful quality of food. We can find everything we want. It's
Yeah, so you have the European culture as well, like you have it here, like you don't feel like it's missing out.
No, and I'm French, and if I want, I can make 20 places on the island on one day and speak only French.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's great.
Same for the Israeli. You can check a little bit, but you can find.
I know them.
You see, and it's for sure it's an obligation to speak English in another country, and for sure Thai it's difficult to learn. So English is an obligation, but same with a few words in English and a few level, you have the possibility to communicate and to speak with other people because you will always find people for French in our language.
Is it? Well, that sounds honestly like pretty much all I needed to know regarding like the properties, taxes, how to buy, how to own. Thank you very much, and I'm going to leave the details of Juliet, his wife, actually in the description, and you can contact them and maybe buy a house in Koh Samui or Koh Phangan.